Getting paid to refer new clients and turn leads and potentials to customers to others' businesses or product or service through tracked lists may seem like an easy thing to do, but indeed it is not. It is a tough business. You want to know why? You're in luck, because this video is about why affiliate marketing is a tough business. Do not forget to like this video and click on the red bell icon to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Without wasting much time, let's delve into the business of the day, why affiliate marketing is a tough business. Affiliate marketing is a logical and flexible sales model that helps in the creation of multiple streams of income while being a source of self-employment that has low initial overhead and doesn't require a person to produce, ship, or stock product inventory. It is ideal for coaches, bloggers, information entrepreneurs, and individuals who are concerned about building and maintaining their digital properties. Certain qualities make affiliate marketing a good home business model, and also certain qualities make it a tough business and not a get-rich-quick model of income earning. Continue watching to find out why affiliate marketing is a tough business. Number 9. Time. Affiliate marketing as a business takes a lot of commitments and lots of experience. From writing and creating content to reaching out to audiences and building relationships with them. The amount of time it takes to do these makes affiliate marketing tough. Do you know that it takes a lot of time to build the amount of traffic that is needed to generate substantial income? Yes, it does, and it also makes affiliate marketing tough. Number 8. Products. Choosing the right products and understanding these products is key to success in affiliate marketing. That's why you need to make an effort to study the products and services you are going to be promoting. And since to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to go for a lot of products in a lot of niches, as they are multiple niches. That means you have to study all these products to create useful, unique, and engaging information about them. Nobody wants to read what they have read somewhere else, so to be different, you need extensive research, not just in the products, but on user experiences. Number 7. Relationships. In affiliate marketing, you are not concerned with handling customer support of the products they purchased, and you also do not handle technical issues with customers when they arise. That sounds like a good thing, right? Yes, it is. But to succeed in affiliate marketing, you have to get and stay in touch with your audience, which is very hard. Why? Because of hit-and-run clients. They are a lot of hassle. Creating relationships in affiliate marketing makes it tough because you not only have to create and personalize engaging content, you also have to interact with the audience. Number 6. Affiliate hijacking also makes affiliate marketing a tough business. What is affiliate hijacking? It is also known as brand poaching or direct linking. Affiliate ad hijacking is when an affiliate tries to impersonate a brand by running ads that are identical to the brand's ads. When this happens, it causes serious damage to that brand's paid search programs. Affiliates are meant to be helping you drive revenues and helping you reach a target and not steal clicks or make your search programs more expensive. It makes it tough because it causes a reduction in brand revenue, channel conflict, and messaging and content conflict. Number 5. Competition. Affiliate marketing is very competitive. If this is your first time considering it and you are afraid of competitions, I'm definite this isn't the place for you. Or it could be, depending on the niche you choose. How is affiliate marketing competitive? Many affiliates promote the same products and compete for the same traffic, product, and customers. Aside from that, getting approved as an affiliate by companies, especially big companies, is very difficult. In the digital market, high markets come with 2 problems. 1. Not good enough for getting a targeted audience. 2. Lots of competition. Because of this competition, you need to write as much as possible and incorporate search engine optimization that is relevant to your niches to get lots of top-ranking posts. Number 4. Lack of control. This is one very important reason why affiliate marketing is a tough business. You have no control over the business fulfillment of a product or service. This lack of control of products and services can lead to lots of harm, like bad affiliate referral. This particular one can ruin your credibility with your hard-earned followers. To avoid this, you have to do comprehensive and extensive research to get quality business. Number 3. Persistence. One of the reasons why affiliate marketing is tough is persistence. It requires lots of persistence. Your mindset towards affiliate marketing matters, since the strength of your marketing is only as good as your mindset. If your mindset is weak, you fail. Because of the many setbacks and competitions in affiliate marketing, many affiliate marketers are distracted or even procrastinate. Anyone can make affiliate marketing work. Anyone can, but it depends so much on how persistent you are. Number 2. Lack of ownership. In affiliate marketing, your followers do not belong to you. They are the merchant's customers. And that is tough for business. You can know from your stat the number of products sold from your end, but you'll have no idea who did. And you can't even harness that for tapping into recurring sales. This bit of lack of ownership makes affiliate marketing tough. Number 1. Multiple niches. Like you may have heard in the course of this video, affiliate marketing has a lot of niches, and it is tough for most people because they don't know which niche to go for. Well, people go for as many niches as possible with the mindset of earning from all of those niches. They do this to maximize their affiliate marketing income stream. Whether this is right or not depends on how the marketer handles the affairs. The problem of having to manage several niches at a time to maximize profit makes affiliate marketing tough. But multiple niches, well managed, also increases the income, especially if the niches are profitable and highly competitive. But that, again, makes it tougher. Like every other business in the digital market, success in affiliate marketing depends a great deal on the time invested into making the business a success and your efforts to grow your business and build relationships with your customers and clients. Yes, it is tough, but you can and will succeed if you put enough time into the business, build solid relationships, understand the products, and are persistent. If you decide to go into affiliate marketing, you should know that it is not a fast or automatic business or a get-rich-quick scheme. But you can earn reliable and legal income from affiliate marketing even if it is a tough business. Having stayed to the end of this video, what are your thoughts on this topic? Do you think affiliate marketing is tough or not? Do not hesitate to drop your suggestions and opinions in the comment section. Also, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Bye!